So what you can also let Copilot do is let it simplify complex information as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, summarize the content that I am going to send in the next message in 40 words or less, right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it says, please go ahead and share the content you'd like to summarize. Once I do that, I'm just going to go around and copy out all of these contents right here, just like this, and paste this out and press enter. And once I do that, you can see that it summarizes out all of the contents over here, just like this, in simple words right here. So I'm just going to go around and say, summarize it in paragraphs in a in simplest language right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here just like this, then you can see that it summarizes out and simplifies it further, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and simplify out complex information inside of Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.